This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic. This is example 23 of solving an equation that has a fraction in it. So we're going to solve this problem that has two fractions. Right. Again, anytime there are two fractions, I think it's easiest to solve by multiplying by the least common denominator. So I'm going to just put a bracket around all of them and say I'm going to distribute my 6. That's the least common denominator because there's only a 3 for one denominator and 2 for the other. And so you need to multiply all the terms by 6. So I'm going to have 6 times 10 minus 6 times x over 3 and 6 times x over 2. Remember to distribute the 6 to both sides of the equation. All right, so what we have here is 6 times 10 is just 60. And let's see, the 3 goes into the 6 twice, so that's going to be 2x. Of course, you get that by thinking of it as 6x over 3, and then you could also get 2x that way. And the 2 goes into 6, 3, so that'll give me 3x. So I get an equation without fractions. So now, that's what's so cool about solving equations. You could actually eliminate the fractions as you solve the equation. Until the last step, that's the only time with the answer is a fraction. You might have the answer be a fraction, so the last step might contain a fraction in it, but you can get rid of all the fractions while you're doing the other manipulations. So I've got variables on both sides of the equation, and I only have the constant on the left. So I'm going to go ahead and put the variables on the right-hand side. So I will add 2x to both sides. Gives you 60 equals 5x. And then we just get to divide by 5. So see, this is the only place you might get a fraction is your last step when you divide by the coefficient. But in this problem, notice that you don't get a fraction because 60 divided by 5 is a whole number. It's 12. So 12 equals x. Looks if I need to write 12 equals x, I'm going to rewrite that as x equals 12. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this one. So we're going to see if 12 is the right answer. So we're going to put in 12 for x. Now let's just simplify the left-hand side first. I need to do this fraction division first. So I've got 10 minus 12 divided by 3 is 4. And 10 minus 4 is 6. So the left side simplifies to 6. And on the right-hand side, I'm going to put in 12 for x. And 12 divided by 2 is 6, so it checks. Nice. So that wasn't too bad. That means that's the right answer. So we could say x equals 12 is the answer. If you can use solution set, you could put the 12 in the braces. This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic.